So now we're going to assemble a Skillion sidewall panel. So your first step will be to line up the two ridges and just make sure they're nice and plumb right here. So once they're aligned, we're going to screw them off, putting 3 screws down the rib. So 3 evenly spaced, and it's all drilled off. Next step, grab your 2 channels, identify the top and the bottom. One's longer than the other. So just as a rule of thumb, always put the short side on the outside and the longer one goes on the inside. So the next step is to guide this channel on and then get ready to screw it off. So just ensure that you get both ends of the channel flush with the edge of the sheeting before you get ready to screw it off. So once the top channel's flush, just screw it off the same as the bottom channel. And there it's all done. Easy.